Hey YouTube, this is Mark in Northeast Indiana. In the shop about 7:30 on Valentine's evening, 2024, smoking a corn cob with Dorchester in it. One of my favorite blends. Tonight's video is about a stand that I made for a bandsaw, portable bandsaw. And I'm sure you're going to get a chuckle out of it when you see it, because I'm looking at it. It's right next to the phone, and it's an engineering marvel. Let me turn you around real quick. Here you got the Bauer bandsaw from Harbor Freight. Bought it several weeks ago when they were running it on sale. I think it was like 99 bucks. I threw together this frame. I'm going to show you how I did that. You got to love the shims up here with the hooks that I heated up and trapped that handle in there. I'm going to, if you're seeing this online, then I've spliced all these videos together. I hope they make sense. This was what I was after, and I'll catch you at the tail end. Running the forge, turn off my lights so I can see the color of the metal better. No idea if you can hear that or not. I got no idea if this is going to work. I've forged, just heated up some bar stock, bent them into hooks. I didn't take them down to a point, but I'm going to drill a hole smaller than these square ends, tapered ends, in this block and see if I can make a frame for that bandsaw with these hooks being in there to hold it until I get something better figured out. Oh, yes. You know, there's a reason. Whoa, hang on, camera. You know, there's a reason why when I'm driving screws in that I never show my face. Because typically I got my tongue hanging out or biting my lip or got my face all scrunched up, and just can't have that on the YouTube. Let's see if I can get this in the picture. So this is kind of what the look I'm going for. Like this. I'm going to drive these in to this piece of wood. So it's going to be it's not going to be screwed in. It's just going to be like a force fit. And we'll see how it comes out. I do need to check one thing before I do that. I just need to find out how much I need this way. Well, let's see what will happen. It's gonna be like rocket science. Whoa, watch out, losing my heat. This one's gonna be even tougher. We'll see what we get. Probably should move that finger. Watch out. Watch out. All righty. Put everything back. Everything has a place. So I've placed it right here on my metalworking bench, right next to my post vise, leg vise, whatever you want to call it. And I don't think I'm going to affix that permanently. I'll probably put some clamps on it until I really see how it works and if it's going to do a good job for me as far as location and ease of use. I'll put a table on it so I can do some parts. I've got some stuff coming up that I needed to get that together so I could work on those. That is not going to be the permanent solution for that bandsaw. I know I can buy a stand at Harbor Freight. I think it's about as much as the saw. I think it's like $120. Really don't want to spend that money quite yet. So that was 2x4 scraps that I just kind of cobbled something together. It's very sturdy. Looks kind of hokey. And I know of at least one scientist that watches some of my videos, and he probably is getting a kick out of the engineering marvel that I have over there. So anyways, I'm going to go in and get something to eat. I had to put my sweatshirt on. It's getting a little chilly out here in the garage. They say we might even get snow tomorrow. Nothing, no real accumulation, but it is still winter in Northeast Indiana, I guess everywhere in the States, right? So yeah, I just really enjoyed the day today. So sunny, just beautiful sky, and it was just a joy to be out, be alive, be on this side of the dirt Very happy for that. Happy that you came along to watch this video, even though it's kind of disjointed. Y'all take care. Get out to your shop, try something new, because you might end up making something just like that. In fact, you'll probably do a better job. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.